Hello guys and welcome back. So we are looking at exercise 2A of the Lantern Quantitative Reasoning book 4, and we've got an exercise here. So what we have here is a blender. Okay, so we've got something that has to go through the blender and then goes out. So the what is going in is the input, while what is going out is the output. All right, so we've got input, output. So the pattern here will be the input plus a constant. A constant, that's something that does not change throughout. Okay, so we're going to put in something plus a constant, and then we're going to get something out. So the example here, you can see we have 66, 77, 72, 83, 79, 90. So if we put 66 plus the 11, which is here, will give us 77. We add 72 plus the 11, it will give us 83. If we add 79 plus 11, it will give us 90. So that is the pattern. There is always something here, which is the constant, okay? So that constant is what we are going to be adding each one through to get the output numbers. All right, so let's attempt the question. So number one, we've got 18 and B. So what is it that when we add it to 18, it will give us that B? All right, so remember, it is that constant. Now, how do we find the constant? We are going to use this tool here. We've got 54 in the second here. We've got 62 in the second. All right. So in order to get the number, what we need to do is to subtract 54 from 62 to get our constant. So in the number one, our constant there will be equals to 62 minus 54, which is equals to 8. So that means if we add 8 to 54, it will give us 62. If we add 8 to 18, it will give us B. All right. So for B now, finding B, it will now be, we are going to say B will be equals to 54 plus the constant 8, which will give us 62. All right. So B here will be 62. Then finding A, that means you remember our constant is A. So if we add A, 8 plus A, all right, A plus 8 will give us 45. So we're going to say A plus 8 should give us 45. All right. So what will 45 now, what will A now be? So A will now be, we'll collect the like terms. So that will be 45 minus 8. All right. So that will give us 37. So A in this case is 37. All right, let's do the second one. The second one we've got here, we've got values in the first and first. So we'll subtract them just as we did in the first case to get our constant. So for each question, we're going to be having a separate constant. So our constant here, our constant will be equals to 250 minus 220, which is equals to 30. All right, so our constant here is 30. That means we'll be adding 30, 30 to our inputs to get our output. So 220 plus 30 is 250. Then we're going to say C plus 30 should give us, C plus 30 should give us 294. So collecting the like terms, C will be equals to 290 minus 30. Okay, 290 minus 30. So that will give us 264. So C will be equals to 264. Now finding D, you can see is the third, third, input, output. So 365 plus 30, okay, that's our constant, will give us D. All right, so what would that be? So if we add it together, that will be D will be equals to 395. So this one will be 395. So that is the second one. The third one, we can also find the constant. All right, we can find the constant. So we are going to look for the two there that are in the same line. So with the same point or the same position. So this is the third. So subtract them together. So our constant for the third question would be equals to 56 minus 44. So which is equals to 12. So what will E now be? E will say E plus the constant 12 will give us 30. So E will be equals to 30 minus 12, which is equals to 30 minus 12. That will give us 18. So here, E will be equals to 18. Then finding F will be equals to, so F will be 44 plus the constant 12, all right? So that will be 56. So F is 56. So that is how we go about solving this exercise. All right, let's see if we can solve more. All right, so let's see number 4 now. Number four. Bring it inward. All right, so number 4, we're going to find our constant. So our constant is number 4. So our constant is going to be, so we're going to subtract which from which. So that will be 60 and 61. So 61 minus 60, which is equals to 1. So our constant here is 1. Our constant is 1. So what do? Same thing, we're going to be adding 1 to our input to get the output. So to get G, what do? G plus 1, that's a constant, will give us the output, which is 72 here. So second place, input, output. So input plus constant gives us output, all right? So G will be equals to 72 minus 1, which is equals to 71. So G is 71. Then H will be equals to 83 plus 1, which is equals to 84. That's H. Okay, so number 5, finally. Number 5, we are going to find our constant again. We are going to find two positions that are known. So we know this, the third position here. We also know the third position. So we subtract them. So that will be 10.5 minus 10.0, which is equals to 5, which is equals to 0.5. So our constant is 0.5. So we're going to be adding 0.5 to the first to get the first here. Add it to the second, we get the second here. Add it to the third, we get the third here. So that's basically it. So finding I plus 0.5 it should give us 5.5. So you should give us 5.5. So I will be equals to 5.5 minus 0.5, which will be 5.0. So this I here will be 5.0. Okay. Then finding J. J will be 8.5. All right. Remember, J is in the second position, 8.5 and J are both in second position. So input plus 0.5 should give us J. So plus 0.5 will be J. So J will now be 8.5 plus 0.5 is 9.0. So J is 9.0. So that's it, guys. That is how you go about solving exercise 2A of the Lantern Quantitative Reasoning, page 5. If you like this video, please support me by subscribing to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and help me share the video with your friends. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.